Hi students, welcome to my topic metal carbonyls. I am Dr. Praveena, lecturer in chemistry, SAS Government Degree College, Narayanapuram. In this video, we will discuss about the metal carbonyls and its classification, EAN rule, structures and shapes of metal carbonyls, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt and nickel. First of all, what is meant by metal carbonyls? Metal carbonyls are the transition metal complexes of carbon monoxide containing a metal carbon bond. In metal carbonyls, oxidation state of metal is 0. If you see the metal which is bonded to the C triple bond O, C triple bond O, that is the carbonyl group which has a back bonding, pi back bonding, and this carbonyl group is a ligand which can donate its lone pair of electrons to the metal. So ligand to the metal is sigma bonding and it is synergetic bonding in a carbonyl complex. Examples: nickel tetracarbonyl complex. This is nickel tetracarbonyl complex which is a tetrahedral shape and it is an example of mono metal carbonyl. Mn2CO10, it is an example of dimetal carbonyl complex. Metal carbonyls are classified into two types: mononuclear carbonyls and polynuclear carbonyls. Mononuclear carbonyls means these are such compounds which contain only one metallic atom per molecule. For example, if you see vanadium hexacarbonyl, it has only one metal atom. Similarly, in chromium carbonyl, chromium is also one metal. So these are the examples of mononuclear carbonyls. And coming to the polynuclear carbonyls, these contain two or more metallic atoms per molecule and are of the type MxCOY. MxCOY, here X represents the number of metallic carbonyls, number of metals. See the type of carbonyls. These are the mononuclear carbonyls, these are the dinuclear carbonyls, and these are the polynuclear carbonyls. That means Fe3 here CO4, here CO6. And coming to the mu2 bridging carbonyls, here the bridging of the carbonyls exists, Fe2CO9, CO2CO8, etc. Similarly, mu3 bridging carbonyls, 4 triply bridged carbonyl groups are there. For example, rhodium 6 CO16. Carbonyl hydrides, these are the carbonyl hydrides. Along with the metal and carbonyl, hydrogen also exists, that's why it is called carbonyl hydride. Coming to the effective atomic number, effective atomic number, the number that represents the total number of electrons surrounding the nucleus. Effective atomic number gives the number of electrons data surrounding the nucleus of a metal atom in a metal complex. Generally, effective atomic number of a central metal ion will be equal to the number of electrons in the nearest noble gas. If the effective atomic number of the central metal is equal to the number of electrons in the nearest noble gas, then the complex possesses greater stability. That means whenever its number is equal to the atomic number of the nearest noble gas, then we can say that complex is more stable. So EAN, effective atomic number, is equal to atomic number of metal minus oxidation state of the metal plus 2 into coordination number of the metal. If you can calculate like this for any metal complex, we will get the effective atomic number value. Next, coming to the preparations and structures of nickel carbonyl, nickel tetracarbonyl, it can be prepared by passing carbon monoxide over nickel in the temperature range of 60 to 100 degrees centigrade. So this is the preparation. Nickel plus 4 carbonyl molecules is equal to nickel tetracarbonyl. Coming to its structure, it has a tetrahedral geometry with nickel carbon bond lengths of 1.5 angstrom. It is also found to be diamagnetic and the structure can be explained considering sp3 hybridization of nickel atom, and it is diamagnetic. It has 10 electrons. Since the electronic configuration of nickel has the outermost electronic configuration 3d8 4s2, get paired in 3d orbitals. Thus the valence shell configuration of nickel atom in nickel tetracarbonyl molecule is 3d10 4s0. This can be explained in detail in this one. So coming to the ground state electronic configuration of nickel, it has 3d8 4s2 electronic configuration. In its excited state, the these two electrons will be occupied its 3d level, so that there is an availability of 4s, 4p1, 4p2 and 4p3 shell. So nickel in nickel tetracarbonyl state, the 4 carbon monoxide molecules, these are the 4 carbon monoxide, 4 carbonyl molecules, gives their electrons to the empty 4s and 4p shell orbitals. So this s orbital and these px1, px2, px, py, pz will fill with the electrons of carbonyl molecule, so that these are the sp3 hybrid orbital. So this is a structure of nickel with the carbonyl groups, and this is the 3d structure of nickel along with the carbonyls. This is the structure of nickel tetracarbonyl. In its excited state, since there are no unpaired electrons, ekkada kuda unpaired electrons levu, that's why it can exhibit diamagnetic nature. Coming to FeCO5, iron pentacarbonyl, in its preparation, it can be prepared by passing carbon monoxide over iron powder at 200 degrees centigrade and 100 atmosphere. Will get FeCO5, iron pentacarbonyl. Its structure, coming to its structure, it has a trigonal bipyramidal geometry, and its Fe carbon distances are found to be 1.80 angstroms and 1.84 angstroms for axial and equatorial bonds. The molecule is found to be diamagnetic. The structure can be explained using dsp3 hybridization in iron atom. All 8 electrons present in the valence shell of iron atom 3d6 4s2 get paired in 4 3d orbitals. Thus the valence shell configuration of iron in FeCO5 becomes 3d8 4s0. It can be explained in detail in this structure. Iron, it has a structure 3d 6 4s2. In its excited state, it can be readjusted to like this. So there is an availability of empty d shell, 4s shell, 4p x, 4p y, 4pz orbital. So there is a possibility of dsp3 hybridization, so that the 3 plus 1 plus 1, that means 5 carbonyl molecules, give their electrons to the empty shell orbitals, and it can undergo dsp3 hybridization. The structure will be like this, and the 3D structure is like this. And coming to chromium carbonyl, hexacarbonyl, it can be prepared by carbonylation of chromium chloride with carbon monoxide using a reducing agent like lithium aluminum hydride. 115 degrees centigrade temperature, 70 atmosphere, you will get CrCO6, chromium hexacarbonyl. Coming to its structure, it has an octahedral geometry, and the chromium carbon distance is found to be 1.92 angstroms, while the CO bond length is 1.16 angstrom. The molecule is also found to be diamagnetic. The structure can be explained using D2sp3 hybridization. Here the chromium undergo D2sp3 hybridization, and its ground and excited state will be explained in this way. Chromium, it has a atomic number 24, so its configuration is 3d5 4s1. The electrons will be readjusted to like this, 3d6, So there is the availability of empty d shares, 4s and 4p shares. Chromium in a chromium hexacarbonide. So there is a possibility of formation of D2sp3 hybridization. The 3 plus 1 plus 2, that means 6 carbonyl molecules give their electrons to empty shell orbitals, so that the 6 carbonyl molecules will give their electrons to the chromium metal atom and can form a chromium hexacarbonyl molecule, and its 3D structure is like this. Coming to dimetallic carbonyls, di-iron non-carbonyl. Coming to its preparation, iron pentacarbonyl in a glacial acetic acid, cold solution of iron pentacarbonyl in glacial acetic acid undergo dimerization under the influence of ultraviolet light to give golden yellow crystal, which is nothing but a Fe2CO9 formation, di-iron non-carbonyl formation. So in this there will be a bridge between iron to iron with the carbonyl molecule. The structure is like this. In this, each of the iron atoms in di-iron non-carbonyl has 3 terminal carbonyl groups. The remaining 3 carbon monoxide ligands act as mu2CO groups. In addition to this, there is a weak iron-iron bond formed by sharing of 2 unpaired electrons present in the 3d orbitals of iron atoms. Thus, both the iron atoms in the molecule are identical with coordination number 7. Since the molecule does not have any unpaired electron, it is diamagnetic. The 2 iron atoms of this molecule undergo D2sp3 hybridization. Another example, dicobalt octacarbonyl.